I am not in my usual setup as you can see naman. So for today's video, I will be sharing you on how I do my polygel nail extension or mga nail art ko na ginagawa. And I've been doing this for the past months already and it really works for me. And for this nail set that I will be doing, I will be creating a futuristic kind of vibe. And here is my peg. I will be sharing it on the screen. And ayan yung vibe natin because I am in a hurry right now because I am leaving for my flight tomorrow for Bali. And I wanted to do a futuristic kind of nail vibe. For this tutorial, disclaimer again sa mga nanonood na mga nail technician, I am no expert and please if ever may mali man akong magawa, sorry na. And comment down below your constructive criticisms. If ever nga may mga mali akong magawa, at least next time, mas alam ko na yung gagawin ko. But for the past month since last year, ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko and this really works for me. And sa mga magtatanong how long na naglalast sa akin yung mga polygel extensions, it lasts me for about 3 to 4 weeks, so that's around 1 month. That's good already. What you will be needing in order to create your nail extension or parang polygel extension is this nail lamp, and this one I also bought this one from Shopee. And of course kailangan nyo rin ng mga base coat, top coat. Actually dun sa Your Sugar, this is not sponsored by Your Sugar pero dun ako lagi bumibili ng mga nail needs ko. And to be honest, binili ko siya ng isang set, so may kasama na tong base coat, top coat, itong extension sa to, dun din sa isang shop lang din para isahang shipping na lang. And of course you will be needing the desired color of the nails that you will be using. So in my case, since gagawa tayo ng medyo chrome and silver na futuristic vibe, I decided to go with my black na gel polish. And of course, kailangan nyo ng chrome na glitter na nails. I haven't even tried this, so hindi ko talaga alam if mag-work to. Hopefully mag-work, and you'll see. Samahan nyo na lang ako all throughout the video. So yan, ito yung mga nilalagay na nail art din. Nabili ko lang lahat yan sa Shopee. So hopefully this will work. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, also you will be needing this extension na nail gel na quick building. Of course, itong slip solution para dun yung pangpahid dito sa may nail extension. And of course, a bunch of nail tools na hindi ko alam kasi I'm just trying my best to explain to you guys kung paano ko ginagawa yung nails ko, and it does work kahit na hindi ako expert dito. So yeah, I've been doing my nails for the reason of gusto ko magtipid and tinatamad talaga akong lumabas sa mga salon. But yeah, it's a little bit tiring kasi it takes me a lot talaga of time and hours talaga siya ginagawa, hindi siya biro. Kaya I understand kung bakit mahal din talaga magpagawa ng nails sa iba. So yan, ayun, pinag-aralan na lang natin. May TikTok school naman guys. So ayun, if you want to, gusto nyo magtipid like me and it works naman for me, so please keep on watching. So ayan guys, pin-repair ko na rin dito kung ano yung may mga numbering yan depending dun sa size ng nails nyo. So pin-repair ko na yan. So what I will be doing is lalagyan ko ng nail extension gel itong mga to. Hayaan ko lang muna dyan mag-set para lang hindi ako mahirapan and later on. So what I will be doing now is lalagyan ko ng base coat and then i-cure natin for 30 seconds. Now, after nyo ma-cure both for 30 seconds, we will now put on the pinaka nail tips na parami yata yung lagay ko. So, kakatapos ko lang i-cure guys, ito yung pinaka parang messy na part for me. Andito ako pinaka nahihirapan actually. As you can see, parang ang daming sticky. So what you're gonna do is you will be pressing. Ito yung tricky part kasi ang haba parehas ng nails ko. So pa-press nyo lang siya ulit. Everything, and then gamit yung slip solution na ayusin nyo yung nasa ilalim so that hindi ganun kakapal yung magiging nails nyo, because that's one thing na naging problem ko rin before. Make sure na ayusin nyo siya gamit yung slip solution, spread out nyo evenly yung pinaka-gel niya before you cure it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, now we're done. Parehas. And finally tapos na dun sa pinaka-messy. Yung talaga yung pinaka-ayaw kong part, yung una na madikit-dikit kasi dun ako laging nagkakamali or napapasobra. And then now, I will be cutting and shaping my nails using this parang, I don't know, square cut na cutter. So, like this. So, yan, i-shape ko lang lahat until my desired length and I will be right back. Tada! So, yan na siya. Nalinis ko na yung mga gilid-gilid niya so far, pero meron pa rin residue ng mga sticky thingy. We will be putting another base coat again, and then we'll start on putting the gel nail polish na color black, and then I'll show you guys, so let's do it. We'll now proceed with the color, and parehas lang tong black na binili ko kasi mahilig ako sa black na gel polish. I don't know, just my colors. So I'll be putting 2 coats of this one and then cure it again for 30 seconds. And now, ayan na siya, yung pinaka-nails ko. And ang dami pa rin lagpas, pero ikakat ko yan later gamit yung pinaka-nipper. So, the moment of truth, hindi ko alam kung magagana ba itong ginagawa ko. But hopefully, gumana. So, sabi, after ilagay yung top coat, pagkalagay ko neto, i-rub lang daw tong glitter na to and magiging chrome siya instantly. I don't know kung gagana siya. And if not, so edi hindi nyo napanood tong vlog na to. If napanood tong vlog na to, edi it means gumana siya. Sana lang talaga gumana. Kinakabahan ako. Oh, onti lang pala siya. Kala ko madami. Okay, the moment of truth. Kung gagana siya. Ay, kinakabahan ako. It's working! Ang ganda! So pretty! I'm so happy yung gumana. Okay, napa-speechless ako. Ang ganda. Ganda! Oh my God, ang ganda! Okay. Ayusin ko lang, guys. Hindi naman ako magsasalita. Guys, so medyo magulo ang ating setup, but this is me realistically speaking. Na ang ganda na ng nails. See, nalinis ko na yung pinaka-edges, pero sobrang ganda niya. It's now time for the fun part, which is etong mga accessories, nail accessories. I don't know yet kung ano ilalagay ko, but Definitely gagamit lang ako ng nail glue. I don't know if you can see it properly, pero ayan siya. Didikit lang natin dito sa mga area sa gitna. Depending sa style na bet ko. Show you guys later yung mas maayos na video after I do it kasi ang hirap mag-film. Basta gagamitan ko lang siya ng nail glue, then didikit ko lang. Be right back guys and I'll show you the finish part already. So, hope you like it! I'm on to my last na top coat. Nalagay ko na yung mga accessories. Sobrang kalat. Here is the final look. Super pretty. I mean, you get it. May mga kalat. But, yeah. Ang ganda. I'm so satisfied. So pretty. Pero glitters yung kamay ko. Please don't mind my hand. Sobrang glittery. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nawawash. Every time kasi gumagawa ko ng nails ko, feeling ko laging fail dahil nahihirapan ako sa first part, yung paglalagay ng pinaka-extension niya. But, madali namang i-clean yung mga edges. And so far, I'm so happy with the result. How I do my nails, realistic version talaga, yung kalat talaga guys. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it guys.